Hi guys, so today I'm sharing with you some more items that I was sent from Born Pretty store to try out and share with you all. There's actually three things, this other one doesn't quite fit on the camera, but if you can read it there, it is a box of gel polish remover wraps and there is 100 pieces in there. So basically, as you can see from the picture there, it is the foil with the cotton wipe on it for you to apply the acetone and then wrap around your finger. So the other two items that I picked out, it's all kind of gel polish related, this one. So we have this really beautiful rainbow finished gel remover. So you can see it has a kind of triangle point on it, and you've just used that to pull the gel polish off once you've obviously done the soak off procedure on it. And then in here we have a gel polish. I will go more in depth when I do the individual videos on each of these. So this one is a Peacock holographic gel and it's called Destiny Fairy. And that looks absolutely stunning, so I'm looking forward to trying that out on my nails. So watch out for these videos coming up very soon. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.